there was a question about whether or not Keto Chow is good for children. I'm going to give you the official answer, the one that we are legally required to give. Keto Chow is not indicated for use by children, nursing, or pregnant mothers. Please consult your doctor before starting any food regimen.
Yep.
Okay, that's the official legalese answer. Now, that said, our kids use it all the time.
Yeah, but there are kids.
So, should you give Keto Chow to kids? That's up to you.
Yep.
But if you're considering giving Keto Chow to your children, I would recommend taking any food that you're planning to give to your children, like dinosaur-shaped chicken nuggets or macaroni and cheese, and talk to your pediatrician about whether that's right for your child as well.
Yep.
That is a bit of a joke. No one would do that because people just feed that to their kids anyway, without even thinking about it. I know we did.
Yep.
And if our kids get the opportunity, they totally made a run and got a whole bunch of French fries last night.
Yes.
And ate it like 10 o'clock at night last night.
They did.
Bunch of crazy kids.
Because they can drive themselves.
Is that a healthy diet for our 12-year-old?
Nope.
No. Is Keto Chow a healthy diet for our 12-year-old? Interestingly enough, Dr. Barry, somebody, was asking about Keto Chow. And he's like, I'm a real foods guy. But if you have a kid who's having problems getting the right vitamins, or you have an elderly parent, he's like, we happened to be at the conference he was talking at. He's like, go across the hall and go talk to Keto Chow.
Go buy their stuff.
It was really funny.
It was awesome.